3 little mermaids are waiting for their mom. Here I am. I brought you gifts. Lucky Mermaid gets a toy. The very lucky mermaid gets a bigger toy. And the unlucky mermaid gets a gift bag. Years later, their luck still hasn't changed. Huh? Where's my bag? What should we do? That's a cool trick. Let's go to the movies. Great idea! I know how to get there. Christy, are you ready?
Wow!
Yeah! See you soon, sisters! Aw! And I'll use my mermaid magic. I can walk to the movies. Really? I can do that too. No, I can't. More water. Why doesn't this magic work for me? All right. Sisters, wait for me. Christy, what are you doing? Leave me alone! I'm busy! Whatever, I have a phone too! Oh no! The screen is cracked! It's not funny! Wow! That's so lucky! My phone got divided in 2! No scratches! What? This one's for me! No! It's cracked again! Hey! Whoa! Hi, kiddo! He wants to play a boomerang? I got it! Get down! Oh, my forehead! Guys, do you know where this character is from? We do! Zoom boom do! Subscribe to the channel. Link in the description. Sisters, it's lunchtime. I want some delicious cake. Oh yeah, that's my favorite. And I'll enjoy a healthy salad. Not bad. Wow, I want fish. Come on, show up. I can do it. You'll see. What? A fish skeleton. Cut a fish skeleton out of polymer clay using a template. Use a different color of clay for the head and the tail. Connect it and insert a wooden skewer. Create texture on the fin. Bake it following the instructions. Paint it. That looks delicious! It's not funny! Now I have something to brush my hair with. But I'm still hungry. I need to write down this thought in my stingray notebook. Cut an old notebook into a stingray shape. Cut stingray halves out of foam paper and shape the cover. Decorate it with sequins, glitter glue, and rhinestones. Attach a pen to be a tail. Whoa! What is she writing in there? I have to read it. Oh! This stingray is electric! A stingray! I need to charge my phone! Wow! It charged so fast! That was awesome! What? Does it only electrocute me? Let's pick out some new stuff! Check this out! Wow! Good afternoon! Ew! There's a 70% discount! I got a full discount! To the changing room! Wow! How much is this mermaid? This will be enough. This is a mistake. Sisters, help me. You look amazing. Wow. He's taking Molly away. Bath bomb. I'll take the gold one. Whoa. So much foam. What is it? Mix 6 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add makeup glitter and pearl dust. Some makeup pigment and 10 drops of grapeseed oil. Put in 4 tablespoons of citric acid and mix it. Fill a round mold with it and put a ring inside. Let it dry for 24 hours. A ring! How lucky! While the bath fills up, I'll pick a bath bomb. This one! Whoa! Bathing in money has always been my dream. The last bath bomb is for me. Ew. Trash in a banana peel? Gross! The last card! I really lucked out! An empty bag! I'll take it grocery shopping with me. You're late. It's okay. Hey, do you need help? Thanks! I'll carry it. I don't mind. I need help too. Oh no! The bag ripped! Ah, bad luck! This is too boring! Hey, watch out! Sorry! What do I do? I know! I'll decorate a dress with a jellyfish pin. Draw a jellyfish on felt. Decorate it with rhinestones, sequins, and beads. Cut it out. Sew on a string of beads and ribbons. Add a pin back. Gorgeous! Whoa! I want a pin too! Can I try it on? A gross fly! Another try! A seahorse! So boring! Why do I never get lucky? Wow! My tears transformed it! Wow! I'll pin this pretty pin on right now! It's cleaning time! You go there, you go over there, and I'll clean the couch! Money in a bottle! Whoa! That's interesting! And I found a bottle with a gold bracelet inside! That's so lucky! What? Where's my bottle with a surprise inside? Here! What's in it? A black paper! Oh, of course! It's a treasure map! First, turn there! No, the other way! The treasure must be right here! Congrats, sweetie! Here's your treasure! Some trash you have to take out! Thank you, Mom! Whoa! Look how beautiful it is! A seashell with accessories! Let's order one for each of us! What's taking so long? It's the delivery guy! He's here! Hi! I have a delivery for you! First, connect 2 seashells with a piece of foam paper. Glue in a detachable mold. Paint the seashell. Second, thank you! Where's my seashell? Hang on, I can't find it. Wow! Look at these earrings! They are gorgeous! I want to look in the mirror. Wow! And I got headphones! It's the best accessory ever! It's in here somewhere. Hurry up! Finally! My seashell! Thanks! Bye! Close the door! Whoa! It's closed really tight. I can't open it. I'll open you anyway. I have to break out the big gun. A saw. A drill. A screwdriver. It's useless. Please, open up. Whoa! I just had to ask. What? Seaweed? At least I can have a snack. Did you see that? Awesome! Wow. Hi, girls. Whoa! Wow. So handsome. He winked at me. An air kiss. I got it. Okay, then. Oh! Whoa! I guess I'll leave. Oh! My head! This isn't funny at all. I need something special for the party. A nice hairstyle, and I'm ready. Wow! Not bad. And I'll need help from a professional stylist. I want some volume and curls. Okay, right on it. I also want to look special. What? Claw scissors? And that's it? Cut a claw out of foam paper and glue it to the scissors. Okay, I'll trim the ends. What a useless claw! Bon appetit, girls! Your breakfast! So good! I got a jelly tail! So did I! I also want one! Molly, are you alright? A cardboard tail! Ew. It's him! My dream guy! Girls, move! Molly, I'm here for you! Wow! Hi! What a surprise! We didn't luck out! Ready to go? I can't! I'll carry you! Your luck can turn around at any time.